Hey guys, welcome back. So if you remember when the iPhone 12 was released about a year and a half ago, alongside it, Apple also came out with MagSafe charging technology. And with that announcement came a plethora of accessories from both Apple and different companies to take advantage of this new technology, things like chargers, battery packs, etc. One of the other accessories that Apple released at the same time was the MagSafe wallet, and the idea behind it was that it would attach to the back of your phone with a magnetic ring and enable you to take, 3 or 4 cards with you. You don't have to worry about taking a separate wallet, but I've never fully been in on this whole trend of the magnetic wallets. I feel like they can get lost too easily, even though they do have AirTag technology built into them. And I just feel like personally, that thing would be a nightmare for me. Now, for this particular video, a company called Voscu reached out to me, or it could be Voscu. I don't really know. This is what it looks like. But they have a new case that they just came out with that not only has MagSafe technology built into it where you can charge the phone with the case, but also has a wallet attachment that also connects with magnets, but it basically surrounds the phone. So it makes it more secure and you don't have to worry about your cards falling out. So I figured I'd check it out, see if it's something that I would incorporate into either an everyday carry or maybe a travel carry. Figured we'd do a whole unboxing, check it out, see the quality, and see if it's something that I may use. So let's take a look. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we talk about all things tech, particularly those smaller tech items to help you increase your productivity, streamline your workflow, and make your life easier. So if you've watched any of my videos in the past, you'll know that I'm a pretty big fan of minimalism. However, I do like to stay productive while staying as minimal as I can. I've been using this slim Bellroy wallet for the last few years, and I really like it for the most part, but I'm always kind of afraid that I'm leaving it somewhere. I do have a tile tracker in here, but I don't even know if it works anymore, to be honest. And so I'm always looking for ways that I can kind of maybe combine my phone with a wallet. Like I said, there's the MagSafe wallet. Never really felt too comfortable with that. So I'm curious to see if this phone case from Voscu is something that I might use on a regular basis, or even maybe just kind of when I'm in certain situations. So I do want to let you know right off the bat that this case is only made for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you've got a 13 Pro, a regular 13, or a mini, it's not going to fit. This case did come out in January, so I don't know if the company is maybe putting more sizes into production, but this is all they have right now. It does come in 4 different colors. They sent me the Sierra Blue and the black, but it also comes in a brown and a pink, so you have a few different color options to choose from. So the first thing that I noticed is the overall presentation of the packaging is actually very nice. The box is fairly minimal. It's just black. It's got the company's logo on the front, got some writing on the back. It's got this nice little pull tab, and it actually slides out, and you can see I've already unboxed it, but it comes wrapped in this nice kind of wax paper, makes for a very nice gift. And if you're used to buying phone cases, usually when you get a phone case, it just comes in sort of a box that you might find at Best Buy, not very nice looking. This would actually make a great gift. Another important thing to note is that the company claims that it comes with a lifetime warranty. It basically says you just scan this code within 14 days of your purchase, and it's covered for defects, shipping damage, quality issues, or even if you change your mind. I haven't tested it, so I don't know, if the lifetime warranty actually works or not, but that is what you get inside the case. So kind of a nice touch for a phone case, especially as it wears down over time. As you can see from the unboxing, the company did send me one in black, which is the one I have right here. You can see that. And then I've also got the Sierra Blue one, which is really nice. It actually matches the color on the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max pretty well. You'll see when I give you some of those close-up shots that they pretty much nailed the color on that. And then of course, like I said, it does come in pink and brown. I don't see myself using either of those colors, so I'm kind of glad that they sent me these. These are actually, really nice looking cases. Again, very minimal. As you can see, it does have the Voscu logo on the back. Kind of wish it didn't have that. The interesting thing is when you take this out, there is no logo on the phone case itself. So if you're using it without the wallet attachment and you just want to use this as a case, it doesn't have that in there. The construction feels really solid. It's supposedly made from vegan leather, so it's not true leather. but it's the, this is what you see nowadays a lot. And the construction feels really solid. Again, you have the case that goes on your phone, and it's got the MagSafe charging ring on the inside, so that lets you attach things to it. And then it's got the wallet case, which looks like this. And basically there are magnets built into this flap. So all you do is you put the case on there and it snaps in place, and it actually holds pretty well. I tested this by kind of flapping, I had my phone inside of it, and the phone does add some considerable weight, but I went like this a lot and it didn't really come loose at all, so that's kind of nice. The magnet flap actually is sort of like stitched onto the other cover, and it does open up like that, but the actual case itself is I'm assuming they just put a whole bunch of magnets, or one big magnet on the inside of this to allow it to kind of secure it to that. And then you've got this magnetic clasp here, so when you close it, it snaps in like that. And you can see, very nice touch is that on the case they did match the color of the buttons to the case, so you can see that's anodized aluminum. And it looks very nice, and it's like that on the Sierra Blue case as well, and you can see the Sierra Blue color here. And the wallet part itself, so it can basically hold 3 cards. It's got one of the card slots has a window, so if you want to put like a driver's license or something like that in there, and then it's got this little slot under here if you want to put some cash or maybe a picture or whatever you want to hold in there, or just maybe some extra cards, and then it closes nicely like that. So the iPhone 13 Pro Max is pretty heavy as it is, and if you're adding the case to it as well as the wallet attachment, it can get pretty heavy. And then when you've got some cards in it, it's going to be, it's almost like a small purse. So it can be a bit bulky. Just want to let you guys know that ahead of time, if you were thinking about buying this. For me personally, I probably wouldn't bring the wallet attachment with me a lot just for that particular reason, but I know everybody's got their own use cases. The one really nice thing about this case is that it doubles as a kickstand. So if you want to watch a movie, maybe you're on a plane and you didn't bring your iPad or your computer with you, you can actually prop this up on your tray table and watch a quick show on it, or just what have you. You can maybe play a game on it, with it on the kickstand. The company says that it does work with all MagSafe accessories. The only MagSafe accessories I have right now are the charging puck that Apple makes and the MagSafe battery pack that Apple makes, and both of them fit very well. I didn't have any problems. They stick on the case, the magnets are very strong, and I didn't have any problems with them coming loose. I think pretty much any MagSafe accessory you use with this, you're not going to have any issue using it. That being said, you are not able to use MagSafe accessories through the wallet attachment. So if you are going to be using something like the wireless battery, or if you're even going to be using, maybe you have the wallet for some reason, you're not going to be able to keep this wallet attachment on there and use that. So that's just something to kind of keep in mind. The other nice thing about the case is that it's got these raised lips around the camera as well as the phone itself. So it does provide a decent amount of protection. I haven't really tested it out as far as dropping my phone from a big height or anything like that, but I feel fairly secure that this is going to protect your phone unless you're just like throwing it out of a car or a plane or something like that. Feels very solid. And again, the construction all around is really nice. The one thing I will say about this is if you have 2 credit cards and a license in here, it does kind of make it a little bit more difficult to close. As you can see right here, when you try to do the clasp on it, it sticks out a little bit, and it does kind of, when you've got your phone in there, it does make it a little bit of extra bulky depending on how much stuff. And I didn't even have any cash in there, so I can imagine if you put some cash in there, it's gonna make it even more bulky. So it really comes down to personal preference, but for me personally, because I'm very much about that minimal aesthetic, I don't see myself using this a whole lot, at least with a wallet attachment. I would probably just bring the case and leave the wallet attachment at home, unless maybe I was going on a trip and I didn't mind having the wallet attachment with me so I could use it like as a kickstand, or just if I was going to be out and about and I didn't want to bring my regular wallet with me. The phone does list for about $31 on Amazon, but they have a 5% off coupon right now, so you can get it for around, I think it's about 27 or 28 bucks. So overall, it's a very good deal, especially if you are looking for something particularly like this, something where you can use your phone case, double it as a wallet, and say that you're someone who brings a purse with you a lot. This, I think, would eliminate most of the items that you would normally bring in your purse. Maybe not everything, but if you were just maybe going out for the night, just wanted to bring a credit card and a wallet and some cash with you, this would actually be really great for that purpose. And the case itself does remind me a lot of the cases I reviewed a few months ago. You can see the video up here that I did on those. Very similar construction, very similar feel, especially the buttons and the charging ring and pretty much everything, the suede inside of it, that feels really nice. So overall, I would say that if you're the type of person who is looking for something where you can maybe have your wallet and your phone case combined into the same thing, and you're looking for something a little bit more stylish than, say, something like the Spigen case, which is just kind of a piece of clear plastic, then this would definitely be a great way to go. It's not super expensive. It's great to give someone as a gift, with the packaging and everything. Solidly construction, it's got a lifetime warranty on it, so don't really see any downsides to it. Comes in a variety of colors. I mean, really the only thing I could say about this that might be a negative is that it does get kind of bulky. So if you are not someone who likes to have that extra bulk with you, then you might want to look elsewhere. But overall, I would recommend the Voscu cases. And if you have any questions about them, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. So I really appreciate all the comments, all the new subscribers that we've gotten over the last few months. It's been amazing. We're getting close to that magic number of 1,000. So I'm really excited that we're approaching that point. I know it's been a while between videos. I'm trying to get back on schedule. Just things happen with life, but really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Again, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and stay tuned for the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.